Now we will start algebraic identities. A lot of identities we have learned in the previous classes, like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, or a square minus b square, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, like this. We will continue these identities. Algebraic identities. First, a plus b whole square. As we know, the formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square. These sum are the basic identities. Plus b square. A square minus b square, then it is one time plus and one time minus. One is x plus a, x plus b. Then what we will get? X plus a and x plus b. It means this x is multiplied by this x, so that it is x square. This a is multiplied by x, so that we are getting ax. Now this x is multiplied by b, then we are getting bx. And this a is multiplied by b, then we are getting ab. Or we can rewrite it as a plus b x plus ab, which is actually splitting the mid term. This time I will tell these four identities to you. The questions based on these identities. These some are the basic identities. How we will apply these identities in the questions. First question I am taking: evaluate 105, 106 without multiplication, without actual multiplication. We can solve 105 into 106 by the multiplying it, but I said without multiplication we have to evaluate 105 into 106. Then what is the procedure? 105 into 106, we can rewrite it as 100 plus 5, and this can be rewritten as 100 plus 6. 105 can be rewritten 100 plus 5. 106 can be rewritten as 100 plus 6. This and this both are same. We can use this formula here of x plus a, this is 100 plus 5, x plus b 100 plus 6, means the value of x is equal to 100, the value of a equal to 5, and the value of b is equal to 6. Now use this formula. Firstly, we have written here x square. It means we will write it 100 square plus a plus b into x. A plus b, a means 5, b means 6, and x means 100, plus ab plus 5 into 6, 5 into 6. Then 100 square means 1000. This is 10,000 plus 5 plus 6, 11 into 100. It means this is 1100 plus 5 6 are 30 add these three values, we will get the answer. This is 0. Now this is 3. This is 1. This is 1. This is 1. This is the answer. Check it. 10,000, 1100 and 30. We have to add these three values, 0, 3, 1, 1 and 1. This is the answer. 11130 means 11,130 is the answer without actual multiplication of 105 into 106. So that this algebraic identity is directly used in this question. This is the these identities are helpful by this process. Now one more question. 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. We have to solve this question. 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. Simple. We can write it as 7a square. 49 is the square of 7. This 25 is the square of 5. It means this is a square, this is b square. In between the term must be 2ab. 2ab. Check it. 2 a means 7a, b means 5b. 5 7s are 35, 35 2s are 70. It is 70. We can rewrite it as 7a plus 5b whole square. So we use the identity a plus b whole square to solve second question. 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square means 49 we can rewrite it as 7a square because 7 square is equal to 49. 25 it means this must be rewritten as 5b square, and in between either plus 2ab or minus 2ab because the sign is positive, so that we put here positive sign. It must be 2ab. 2a means 7a, b means 5b. So 2 into 7a into 5b. It means this is equal to 70ab. And this can be rewritten as this in compact part a plus b whole square. It means 7a plus 5b whole square. Clear? One more question. 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Now solve this question. How we will solve? This 4 can be rewritten as 2y whole square. This is plus 1 square. 1 or 1 square, it means both are same. And here this is negative sign. This is negative sign. It means the identity must be a square minus 2ab. 2a means 2y, b means 1. So if we check it, 2 2s are 4y. Here it is 4y, and the product of these three terms is also equal to minus 4y. It means this can be, this is the identity of 2y minus 1 whole square. A minus b whole square. A means 2y and b means 1. And here the sign is negative, so that it is 2y minus 1 whole square. One more question. (25 by 4x square minus 1 by 9 y square). 25 by 4. 25, this is the square of 5. 4 means this is the square of 2. So we write here 5 by 2x square minus, this is 1, 9 is the square of 3 and this is 1. So that it can be rewritten as 5 by 2 x square minus 1 by 3 y square. This is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. The formula is 1 time plus and 1 time minus. So that we will write it as 5 by 2x plus y by 3. 1 time plus and 1 time it is minus. This is the factors of the given question. So this time I told you only the 4 identities. There are many more identities. These 4 identities we have used in these 4 questions. So that do these questions, solve these questions, learn these questions, learn these identities, and if there is any doubt then you may ask. Okay class.